Welcome to CW's Health and Fitness, your go-to platform for health and wellness tips. I am CW. If you're here for the first time, we're glad to have you. For our loyal viewers, we're thrilled to share another insightful video with you. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial, yet often overlooked: the importance of water for your body. But before we get started, if you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our health tips. Ready to explore the amazing benefits of water? Let's get started. Do you know how vital water is for your body? It's not just about quenching your thirst on a hot summer day. Water plays a significant role in maintaining your health and well-being. Today, we'll delve into the 7 incredible benefits of drinking water. First off, water acts as a natural lubricant for the body. It helps maintain the moisture in your tissues, protecting your spinal cord and joints. So if you find your knees creaking more than usual, maybe it's time to reach for a glass of water. Secondly, water is a crucial element in regulating body temperature. When the body heats up, it releases water in the form of sweat, which cools the body as it evaporates. Without sufficient water, this process can't function efficiently, leading to potential overheating. Thirdly, water aids digestion. It helps break down food, allowing your body to absorb nutrients better. A well-hydrated body ensures smoother digestion and less discomfort. Next up, water plays a vital role in flushing out toxins from the body. It aids in kidney function, helping to remove waste through urine. Drinking plenty of water keeps your kidneys working efficiently, reducing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Fifth on our list, water can help maintain a healthy weight. Often we confuse thirst for hunger. Staying hydrated can help curb unnecessary snacking and contribute to a healthier weight management strategy. Sixthly, staying hydrated can significantly impact your mental health. Dehydration can affect your mood and cognitive function, leading to feelings of fatigue, confusion, and even anger. Drinking enough water helps keep your mind sharp and your mood stable. Finally, drinking water contributes to healthy skin. It helps keep your skin hydrated, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a healthy glow. So to sum it up, drinking water lubricates your body, regulates temperature, aids digestion, flushes out toxins, helps manage weight, improves mental health, and enhances skin health. It's the all-natural, readily available elixir that can significantly improve your health and well-being. Remember, the amount of water you need can vary depending on factors like your age, gender, activity level, and overall health. So while it's essential to stay hydrated, it's equally important to listen to your body and drink to your needs. In conclusion, water is not just a thirst quencher. It's a life-sustaining liquid that offers a myriad of health benefits. So next time you reach for that soda, think twice. Your body will thank you for choosing water. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.